Let's say you wanted to call somebody. Today, you would probably just look up the number online, right? But how many of those numbers do you actually have memorized? Probably none. As a kid in the 90s, I memorized a few of those numbers. My house, my boy John's house, and the pizza place where I grew up.
I can still sing the tone sounds they would make.
What?
Yeah, like boop, 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 boop.
See, back then you had 3 options. Memorize it, write down next to a phone, or add it to your speed dial spots. Call a place enough, like the pizza place, and you ended up memorizing. You just called and hoped that Gerald knew how to get to your house. And somehow, some way, he'd always show up.
Heroes, I salute you.
Gerald, wherever you are, and whatever job you have now, thank you. We hope you found your true way.
That got kind of deep.
Ooh, deep dish. Great idea.
Wait, are you really ordering right now?
You're ordering pizza?
I'm ordering for me, so you...
Nobody orders pizza for just one person while their best friends are sitting right here.
Hawaiian and cauliflower. Low-carb lifestyle.
Makes me not want to order anything, actually.